गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, नमस्ते। आज है नवरात्रि का फोर्थ डे। सो आई एम गोइंग टू बी मेकिंग कड़ा प्रसाद। सो शुरू कर देते हैं फटाफट क्योंकि मुझे आज बनाना है एंड इट्स ऑलरेडी लेट। आई हैव जस्ट टेकन माई शावर एंड आई विल स्टार्ट मेकिंग द प्रसाद फॉर पूजा। तो मेरे पास ये सूजी पड़ी है। दिस इज कोर्स फॉर्म ऑफ व्हीट ओनली। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। गैस पर मैंने कढ़ाई चढ़ा ली है एंड देन आई विल जस्ट टर्न इट ऑन. The measurements I'm going to be using is this one, this cup, which is a half cup measurement, 125 ml. So this cup I'm going to be measuring the ingredients with. Let's take some ghee and I will add on one big scoop of this ghee onto our wok. There it goes. Or maybe we'll just make a little bit more. I'm going to be adding or maybe half more. That's it. So we will let the clarified butter, what we call ghee, heat up. Once it gets melted, we are going to add in our suji, rava or coarse form of wheat, whatever you call it. So I'm going to take one big scoop of the same measurement and 1.5. That's what we take, same as the ghee. 1.5 each, and then we are going to mix it properly. There should be no lumps in it. Keep stirring it and we'll just reduce the heat so that it doesn't burn, and we keep stirring it. So this video will be coming in between because Navratras are going on and I was really thinking what to do. Like I have so many videos from our vacation trip to be edited and which I haven't been able to edit. I didn't get time to edit my next video on the vacation series. So meanwhile I'm going to be putting up this video of how I'm making the prasad because it is going to be relevant now, so that any of you who would be interested in seeing how I am making the prasad for my Navratri Puja will get to see it on time when it is needed. And the rest I will keep on adding the vacation videos as it goes in continuity. One more thing I wanted to add here. I don't know, I think this is going to be my first completely English video because there are viewers. I have recently noticed that there are viewers from New Zealand and from other countries that don't speak Hindi or any other languages. English is a common language, so I have decided that I'm gonna be using English only for my upcoming videos. And obviously the vacation series does have some of the Hindi, but I will add on wherever necessary. I'm gonna add on subtitles as I get time onto those videos. But the upcoming videos, the next videos will be completely in English. I hope you guys will can relate to it. Let's get back onto the recipe now. So I have been continuously stirring it. Okay, there is too much of fat in it. If you want to add little bit less clarified butter or ghee into it, you're more than welcome. But as I said, in this recipe, if you want to make a kada prasad, it does need a lot of ghee so that it gets its proper, proper texture and proper taste that you want to taste. It's until it gets like a brown color. And what I'm gonna do on the other side is it will make it easier. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna heat up some water into it, like keep stirring it, we don't want to burn it. Okay. I'm gonna heat up water, so with the measurements, with the same scoop, I'm going to take double of amount of water that I have taken for the suji and halwa. Like it was 1.5, so 3 of this scoop I'm going to add water. Like I'm gonna heat it first. Okay, there it goes. Okay, now meanwhile it's heating up, I'm going to be adding in some sugar into it. One big scoop of sugar goes in, or a little bit more because I don't want to make it too sweet. I don't like too much sweet into my desserts or anything, so we don't want to make it too sweet. You can add your sugar as per your taste, but like with the measurements, usually you do like 1.5 cup of this, 1.5 cup of sugar, and 1.5 cup of your clarified butter or ghee. It should make required sweetness into it. So the sugar that I have added into it is a little bit lesser than 1.5. It's like 1.25. Okay, we need to keep stirring that water as well, so that we mix the sugar that we have just added into the water. Okay, I've just turned the heat a little up because it's getting already late and I don't want to take too much time in making the prasad. Meanwhile, my daughter is doing her singing that she usually does. I think you can hear her voices in background. The heat a little down for the water. So I'm gonna show you what my daughter Reet is doing. She's singing. Oh, she's just hi, hello. What you doing? What you doing? Reet, what you doing? You were singing. What we were doing. Can't leave it for long. See, the color is changing. It's turned a little goldenish brown. We want to cook it a little bit more because I want to see that color in it, that brown color, that golden brown color into it. So we want to cook it a little bit more. Okay, now it has got a proper, like, the color we want, and we are going to add the water and sugar mixture that we have heated. and we want to keep stirring meanwhile when we are adding the water. I'm gonna just hold it with something. So we will turn the heat down now. See the color, it's really nice. And we can add more. Just keep watching your consistency. Okay, we'll add the rest of it. That's it. There it goes. And we have turned the heat down, and we will keep stirring it until it becomes thick and the consistency that we want. A little bit of raisins. There it goes. I think that must be enough. Some kaju. I don't know what we call these. I think you have seen it, you know. And I'm gonna add a little bit of the seeds. Almost ready. Okay, I think you can see the ghee on it, like you can see the level of ghee that we have on it, but that is how it should be. So I think you guys must have watched it completely, how I made this Kara Prasad at home, and you can also try making it at home. I will see you in my next video. The next is going to be the travel series, of course. Till then, bye.